Alright, my name is Brandon Kling. This is my video for my boards page, just to show how all of the objectives all of my assignments meet each objective. We'll start off the first one. I'm an ACS major, so I have 6 objectives. The first one is follow software development process to analyze a problem and to design, build, and test software solutions. The first project I have to meet this goal is my training RPG game that I had to do during tech productions to learn how to use Unity and how to program in C#. So in this program, I had to learn all of it during the tech production class, and I had to document my process on a weekly basis. So our team met up every Friday for roughly 10 hours. My team lead constantly guided and coached me through the development of this program. Below, I have some of the example documents. All of the documents are loaded on my GitHub, but this is like our goals throughout the whole semester and everything. I just linked random ones rather than doing all of them because you don't want to see 15 weeks worth of time cards. We use Trello as well to have goals and benchmarks for each person on the team. And then this is like one of my Trello cards. Then we had our milestone progresses. I think we went through three different milestones. We went from 5 to 7, so 5, 6, 7 milestone on our stuff. Next project I have for this is my SIP. This took well over a year to make for me. I documented a lot of things. I lost some, was able to recover some, but I had like pseudocode, I had diagrams and flowcharts. I did sketches for my storyboarding for the writing portion of this project. Then I also have my SIP video linked here. Second objective is demonstrate software development skills using one or more programming language and development environment. So this is Visual Studio, and then this one is Python code. And this next one is C#, and it's in Visual Studio code, so it is technically 2 different development environments. This environment also uses the command line to work the program, and this one uses Windows, the Windows forms to operate the program. Number 3, design and implement software solutions across multiple platforms. So this one is a project I made to have a test project for my SIP. It's called Haunted Tours. It's like a fake tour guide for haunted, places. Yeah. So yeah, I did this testing so I could figure out if my SIP would work on mobile, and it did. And then the next one I have for multiple devices. So this one works on mobile, Windows, whatever, everything. Next one I did is my Haunted House app, which works on Windows, PC, Mac, Linux, Haunted House, and this one's developed in Python as well. So number 4, design and implement software solutions on mobile devices or embedded systems. Again, my SIP ties to the mobile devices. That was the whole purpose of it. I wanted my SIP to be able to work on phones, tablets, PC, Mac, whatever. And then the Haunted Tours was another one I developed, which allowed me to test my SIP. This one works on mobile and all that stuff as well. So number 5, document the planning and development software applications using industry standard tools, techniques, and processes. So this one I have all the documentation on the GitHub for each of them. That's my SIP. Again, it has all similar. This one's similar to number 1, but a little bit different. I used like sprint style planning and agile process, stuff like that. Training RPG game, use the agile process, documentation, checking in each week, all that kind of stuff. Number 6, within the software solution, describe and analyze data structure techniques like list trees, hash tables, graphs, along with sorting and searching algorithms. This Moonbase used lists and sorting, but this training one is the big one. This uses all of them. Like this training game hits all of those. So I'll read the description. That's the best way to say this one is, in this program, I use lists and arrays to store character attributes for character creation and stats management. I use data structures like graphs or grids. Were used in creating the world and enabling characters' movement and interactions. Algorithms were created for combat mechanics, determining battle outcomes based on stat comparisons, turn order sorting, and finding suitable combat actions using search algorithms. Data storage for retrieval of game assets such as items, character, utilize data structures like list trees and hash tables. Also, sorting algorithms were used to organize items. So in this thing, I made full characters with stats and mobility and armor they could equip and unequip. There's inventory for the items to go in and out of, combat stats, life totals, damage numbers, all that stuff. it hit all of them. So this project is real cool that it hit all those bullets. But that is it for my boards page. So thank you for watching.